Hello D-Nation and welcome back to a diecast motorcycle unbox and review episode. In today's episode we are going to be reviewing the 2002 Triumph TT600, which is a 118 scale licensed diecast motorcycle manufactured by Willys. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale licensed diecast replica of the 2002 Triumph TT600 manufactured by Willys. And at first glance, this diecast motorcycle looks quite premium and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it as well. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps and standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. And I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the D-Nation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding this amazing diecast motorcycle replica in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Introduced in 2000, the TT600 is a middleweight sports bike built by Triumph. Shortly after Triumph returned to the American market, the designers set their sights on entering the highly contested 600cc market. The Triumph TT600 was designed in 1996 and produced between the year 2000 and 2003. It was Triumph Motorcycles' first in-line 4-cylinder 600cc sports bike designed to compete in the world's most competitive motorcycle class, the fuel-injected middleweight category. The introduction of the 2002 TT600 model was now up to the task of producing enough horsepower to adequately compete with its competition, and the TT600 successor was the 2003 Triumph Daytona. And for further information on Triumph motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And a thank you to all my D-Nation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting and all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.